Hi there. Tired of constant scrolling while reading a long PDF? Foxit PDF Editor can auto-scroll for you without any mouse or keyboard action. Let's see how. Go to the View tab. Select Auto Scroll. The document starts scrolling automatically. To adjust the scrolling speed, press the up arrow or down arrow key, depending on the scroll direction. To set a custom scroll speed, press a number key. 9 for the fastest, 0 for the slowest. To reverse the scroll direction, press the minus key. To pause auto-scrolling, press the space key.